For homework 02-02, for carbon 14 with a charge of 1, the number of protons are blank, the number of neutrons are blank, and the number of electrons are blank. So the question is carbon 14 with a charge of +1, or with a charge of 1, and that's a +1. And when I enter in these questions, I can't easily get it to show the +1 or the minus ones will show up. So carbon 14 with a charge of +1. I'm going to show my periodic table, which I always have handy here. And when I come to carbon's space square on the periodic table, I have 6 is the number of protons, and the molar mass is on the bottom. It's the number of protons that I'm going to be worried about for solving this question. Ooh, sorry, that should be a C for carbon. Turn that into C with a 6 and a 12.01. The number on the top is the number of protons, also called the atomic number. The number on the bottom is the average molar mass. And now let's talk specifically about carbon 14. So 14 is what's called the mass number. And the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So if we have 6 protons to get 14, then we must have 8 neutrons. So let's see, back to the problem statement. For carbon 14 with a charge of 1 plus 1, the number of protons are 6, the number of neutrons are 8, and the number of electrons, yes, the number of electrons. Well, if it's +1, that means that there must be more protons than electrons. So if there are 6 and it's a +1, then there must be 5 electrons. Let me see if I save and submit this. And everything worked out correctly. And when you do the homework, what you should find, and I think I've done this for all of them, is that not only does it show the answer that you typed in, but it also shows what the correct answers are. And it should give you as many opportunities as you want to try these problems. Okay. Any questions about that?